Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to Solana video update. Continuing on from where we left off yesterday, and this is still a flag that is in the making and it's still pending right now. And the weekly time frame is looking quite interesting in a bad way. Okay, in a bad way, not in a good way. Don't have anything good to say about the weekly time frame. Especially the only thing that I want to say is that you have to be very, very careful in the weekly time frame. If you start to pop out of this pattern for Solana, you're looking for a very, very big, massive drop all the way down to 4.2 or $4 nearly, for between $4 and $4.5, and that for me again is a buying zone that I'm looking forward to for a very long-term holding. I think the bottom is near. Maybe for me this is going to be the bottom of everything, for $3 to $4 could be the bottom for Solana actually. Now Solana doesn't have anything interesting. I just want to show you Bitcoin again. So let's talk about Bitcoin because it's probably going to follow Bitcoin. So this is what I have for you. Okay, one big descending triangle. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pop to the downside, takes you to $10,000, and you have this one resistance, second resistance, third one, fourth one, and then Bitcoin as well is looking to make a flag here, and that flag takes you to 12,134. So basically we could even see Solana try to move all the way down to $6 and try to spend some time between $6 and $9 before actually moving to $4, which is its main technical target as well. So that's pretty much it for this quick one. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.